What's the word? What's the word, man? Yeah! I'm not affiliated. I'm not affiliated.
Yo, how y'all doing, bro? First off, let me say this. This is not a car channel. I don't want this turning into a car channel, you know what I mean? I was just simply going to get food. We got blocked in. Hope y'all like this video. This is not a car channel. This is not a car channel at all. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all want next. Don't come back on this channel expecting to see cars for the next videos. If I get blocked in again, I get blocked in, you know what I mean? So yeah, hope y'all like this video. Make sure to subscribe. I catch y'all in the next one, bro.
Yo, on the way to food, these guys randomly just stopped us on some shit, bro. Got no clue what's happening, but I want to look. I can't lie.
Sorry guys, no bad words.
Yeah, no bad words, bro. No bad words.
No bad words.
No bad words.
But
bro.
all the drugs.
What the? Now Richmond has no sliders.
Yeah, I'm saying, what's going on with the Richmond sliders, bro?
How long is this going to take?
Hey, let me see some. What's up with you, man? Yeah. Hey, now. I'm not affiliated. I don't. I'm a civilian.
That was crazy. Go home!
What is this guy doing, bro?
They sending that nigga home. Oh, this is wild, bro. Nigga, we don't even have enough to cover this side.
Yeah, I don't partake.
Hey, grenade! His tires are dead. You better stop.
You said what?
How you feel you almost just got hit?
I'm exhilarating right now.
Come on now, you got the back and forth.
I'm saying right now, bro, Nick, he just called me pack a punch. Oh! Hey, we retaliate next time, bro.
Out of there, twin. I was out that motherfucker.
Bro.
I low-key got hit in the back, though.
Yo, it's like a few days later, maybe a week, I don't know. So like I was saying, what was I saying? I don't know, but yeah, crazy stuff, bro. Definitely throwing fireworks like they was grenades. I got PTSD. I hear bow, bow, bow. You know what I mean? That just comes up, bow, bow, bow. You know what I mean? It's just, it's a reoccurring thing. You know what I mean? Don't say it. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoy it. Who knows what the next video is gonna be? I just be trolling. I don't know if that, but yeah, all right, yeah. I catch you next one, and hold on. That motherfucker. Anyways, all right, y'all.